Picking out the right soil for your African violet is very necessary. There are three main ingredients. The first is peat moss. Second is vermiculite, and the third is perlite. The mixture is 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Some commercial growers use strictly peat moss, but for the homeowner, I would recommend either this mixture of 1/3 to 1/3 to 1/3, or even easier would be for you to go out to your local retail establishment and buy an African violet mix. It's sterile, it's easy, and it's foolproof. Now, here is what vermiculite looks like. Again, it provides excellent drainage for your African violet. Perlite provides the same thing and a little bit of moisture retention. Together, mixed in combination, your African violets will be very happy.